Angel.
And her name is Selena.
Hi.
Say hi. And today we're going to be making rainbow slime. So basically, we have some plates and some spoons. And we have glue, cornstarch, paint, detergent, glitter. So we're going to be making little by little slimes, and then at the end of this video we're going to be mixing it all together so it can be like a rainbow of colors. Slime! He's slime! 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 Come on! Help me! Help me! Make slime! Make slime! Okay, so no mommy! No mommy! Okay. So here's your plate. Here's your plate. Alright, so I'm gonna be pouring the the glue because we don't have that much glue. So that's it. Ah! Okay. This is like my best day ever, like doing a slime.
You like to make slime?
Yeah.
Is it fun?
Yeah. It's my hobby.
Is it satisfying?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are you guys gonna do now?
Next, we're gonna be adding some cornstarch. I like adding cornstarch because it makes it stretchier and softer. So, do you want cornstarch in first? Yeah, can I put it? Yeah. You want cornstarch? Yeah. Okay. Hold on, let me add Selena some first. She's really, oh God, this is messy. Alright, that's it. Now I will get mine. Okay, be careful because it's like hard. Like, I swear, like, be careful. Mix it. Like this? Yeah, oh, a little bit more. There we go. Mix it, Selena. Mix milk with some baby food powder thing. This is like my best day ever in my life.
Oh. That looks like you guys are gonna bake something.
It looks like flour with some milk and stuff like that. I know, it looks like what?
It looks like cottage cheese. Mix it, Selena. Mix. Selena.
Oh, messy.
Good job, you guys.
I'm gonna be doing a yellow first. Oh, I will do this. Okay. Yellow. Oh, it looks like mustard.
Oh, that's a lot of paint.
Oh, right? Like this?
Yeah, that's good.
Whoa, look at that.
Oh, she wants a color, you guys.
You need to mix it first, like this.
Okay, help her.
Help me. Say help me. No, just do it. I'll do yours. No, it's okay. Angel.
All right, for Selena, let's do purple.
Purple is this one. Purple.
Whoa, that's pretty. That's like a violet color kind
Okay,
of.
mix it, Selena. I'm gonna finish mixing mine because it still has some white in it. Looks like honey mustard. Look it. I think I'm almost done. Yeah, you're almost done. Selena, mix it.
She doesn't know what she's doing. Mix it, Selena. Those colors look really bright. I like them.
I like the yellow. It like really, like it kind of matches. Yellow.
Selena, do you need help? Do you need help? Look, mommy help you. Whoa, look at that.
Look pretty.
That's pretty.
Look pretty when the mommy is cool.
You want the glitter? Okay, you have to wait.
arms.
Okay.
Mommy, look at the bed. Mommy, take a bed. Mommy, take a bed. Take a bed. Mommy, take a bed. Mommy, take a bed. Mommy, take a bed.
I have no idea what you're saying. What does she want?
Just
Okay.
mix it. Look, you want to mix it so we can go to your friend's house? Yes? Yeah? You tired? Selena, she's tired. Hey,
Okay.
hey. Oh wow, look at this color.
Well,
Wow.
that's pretty.
Oh, Petey.
It's not slime still. I know it's not slime. Can I touch it? It's not slime. Not slime yet? No.
Okay, what's the next step?
Okay, the next step is detergent. Detergent. Pass me the detergent. So I'm gonna be adding a little bit because like look at my hands. I am so dirty. Oh, okay. Wait.
Mommy.
Alright, I'll mix it.
Okay, hold on, baby.
Mommy,
Hey, baby, Selena, look.
Oh look, it turned blue and mine.
Okie dokie,
Look, it
Selena.
turned blue to mine. It kind of turned green, but I hope it doesn't turn green. I really hope it doesn't turn green.
That's a lot of detergent.
It's mixing it. Look, touch it. It's so weird. Don't touch it yet.
Yours looks full.
Mine?
It looks like two colors, like Halloween color. Did you put some on Selena's yet?
No.
Okay.
She's still mixing it. It's gonna like, yeah. Selena!
Here, put detergent on first. I'll mix it for her.
Okay. Whoa, that's a lot.
No couples.
What do you mean?
So, my slime turned out pretty bad because I added too much detergent.
Let me
I
see.
think you add too much to me. Look.
No? You gotta keep mixing yours.
Ugh. Selena, what are you doing?
Peace sign. Oh, you have slime? Let me see. Your hand? No, but. Whoa, let me see your slime. Is that slime? Let me see. Whoa.
Color.
Ooh, bright.
It
It's
looks
like
like
an orange. That's not even red.
No, I know it's a blood orange.
Oh, okay.
It's called blood orange.
Is it?
I believe.
It's pretty. Arts and crafts. Arts and crafts.
It looks like clay. I know, right? It smells like clay.
Yeah. Because of paint.
Actually, when
You guys should make a green one too.
what are you doing, Mellis?
She's still in that slime.
Yeah.
Ooh, that looks cool, Betsy. Like a forest green.
Oh
It's
yeah.
actually really pretty. I like it. It's like a relaxing
Do you like this
green.
type of red?
Like a relaxing green color. You know what I
Do you
mean?
like this type of red?
It's actually like, it looks like
Orange
like a
pink.
smoothie.
Yeah.
And Selena looks like a big blob.
It pokes though.
Yeah? Oh, that's cool. She did something right. Poke it, Selena. Habla así, Selena. Habla así, mira. Así, a tus ahí adentro.
Watch is gonna happen to your right hand. I like that. Don't worry about it. I don't care. He doesn't care. Okay, would it care about putting your hair? No, not my hair. It's nice.
Oh, that's a nice green and a nice orange. I like them.
And a nice purple. Selena, good job.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
You're getting it all over there. I'm trying to get it out. What's the next step?
No, like, let me, I want to see her face. Hey, are you okay? Are you mad because they touch your slime? Oh, my baby. Come here. Help me film. What?
Look, it actually stretches.
Wow, Selena, you did a good job.
Good mind.
I don't mind. It's a slime shirt.
Okay. Alright, now. What's the next step? What's the next step? Okay, the next step is to, this time, I'm gonna add just a little bit. Like, actually, I'm gonna add it in here.
Yeah, smart.
I don't over my hands, everything.
Let me see.
Boutique, boutique.
Is that your slime, Betsy? Let me
Oh,
see.
mine is the worst one ever.
It's not that bad. Whoa.
I make so bad. Like, hers is better.
Hers is the best slime.
Hers is the best one. Because yours is a baby.
Right? Let me see. Enjoy your slime. It's too sticky. I think he needs more detergent. Like literally a little bit.
Like literally a
Like
lot.
no, like a little bit. Like that. That's it. Like.
Wait, why don't you move your hands? Like that?
Nope.
Nothing on my hair?
Let me see. Whoa, that one is sticky, girl.
This is really sticky, but it's just really good. And I'm gonna add like detergent now. I'm just gonna
The stickiest slime ever.
have you seen my friend's slime? Hers like went all over my whole mouth last time.
Oh,
We've done all the slimes. Like it took us like almost minimum like 30 minutes to do it. So now we're going to be mixing them. So this is black. I don't know if you guys can
Blue, orange, purple, green, and yellow in the end.
see. So do you wanna start?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Alright, we're going to use yellow first
yeah.
to put it on the...
Oh my god, it feels so whoa. Wait, what? What the heck?
It feels like a matte slime.
Matte slime. Okay, so you wanna help me?
Yeah.
Okay. So on top of this one? Or how?
Hold on. Why isn't it?
I got this yellow color and I'm gonna put it on top of the green. Whoa. Ah.
You're gonna stack them up pretty much? Here,
Yeah.
put them here. Put it here.
No, because it's gonna stick. It won't. I'm gonna put cornstarch.
Okay. Alright, there you go.
It's gonna stick.
Just put cornstarch. Like for the base. That's cool. Alright.
Okay. Now, do you wanna put blue on top of this?
Now I'll put orange.
Okay.
Okay.
Then I guess put this one. Okay, we had to put 2 plates on this one because this one was too messy.
Was that Selena's?
Yes. Like this purple. Pretty nice.
Nice. Like
Oh.
pancake slime.
Like a pancake slime. Okay, now
Oh, sticky.
this baby blue slime.
No, put that one. So it
Oh
can
yeah.
be-
Orange, hurry up. Orange. And then blue. Last but not least.
I'll do this one. You did on this. Just say one. Alright, do it.
Let's do it together because that one's really messy. And it's gonna stick all over your hands and your clothes.
Alright, just do it.
Here, you
No,
grab
don't
it.
put
Okay, you like, okay, so help me grab it down like that. It's really sticky. Like this one is my favorite. It's a black. Whoa. You know what?
It looks pretty cool. This is very satisfying.
It looks like my uncle. Ah! Oh! Castle. Sprinkles.
Okay. I think it's ready to be shown.
Show. Ah!
Okay, are you guys gonna poke it first?
Yeah, let's poke it.
Oh, it feels so weird.
I love this.
I love this. I want to keep it.
Oh god. Hey, wait. Let's see. Keep this away.
Okay, I want to see it stretched out.
Stretched out. Hold on. It's sticky. Hold on. Let me just like do that so it doesn't get stitched. Okay. Okay, ready to get stretched out?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Ready?
I'll get this out.
Oh, that looks great.
Let me see the bottom.
Whoa.
Whoa, that looks cool. Okay, now mix it.
Whoa.
That looks so
Oh my god!
Okay, now stretch it.
We're trying to stretch. No, don't pull it. Stretch it. That's what she said. It's gonna take like an hour and a half. Over here, like where all the colors show.
Wow, that looks really cool.
Whoa. Come now.
It looks like a type of green. Does it?
It looks like a poop green color.
Looks like camouflage. Bye guys! Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe to that button and like the button. I'm confused. Bye you guys! Thank you guys for watching our slime video. It turned out really great, right?
Was that sarcastic?
Maybe.
It's kind of sticky for me.
It's not bad. It's just a weird color.
It's a camouflage slime.
It's like a poop color.
Is that what your poop looks like?
No,
Maybe.
How do you know then?
because
Butter slime. Just kidding.
So thank you guys for watching our video. If you're new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like our video, make sure to like,